Welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. In this video, we'll explore how to use WhatsApp for staff communication. We'll cover the basics, options, functions, and uses, and discuss why it's a great communication option and how it can improve your operations. In this video, we'll be introducing you to WhatsApp, covering the basics of WhatsApp, and discussing the options and functions. Let's start with an introduction to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a free messaging app available on both iOS and Android devices. WhatsApp allows you to send text messages, make voice and video calls, share images, videos, documents, and even your location. It's designed to be simple and easy to use, making communication seamless. To get started with WhatsApp, download the app from your device's App Store. It will look like this. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create an account using your phone number. After verifying your phone number, you can set up your profile by adding your name and a profile picture in the Settings section. You can access the settings by tapping on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Once your account is set up, you're ready to start messaging. WhatsApp uses your phone's internet connection to send messages and make calls, which means you can avoid SMS and call charges. One of WhatsApp's key features is group chats. You can create a group chat to communicate with your staff members at once. To create a group chat, tap the New Chat button in the top right corner. This button is a green circle with a white plus. Then select New Group. From here, add the contacts you want to include, set a group name, and then click Create in the top right corner. This will create your group chat. Group chats are great for sharing announcements, updates, and coordinating activities. WhatsApp also supports voice and video calls, which can be useful for virtual meetings or quick check-ins with your team. To start a call, open a chat with the person or group you want to call, and then tap the phone or video icon in the top right. This will start either a video chat or a phone call with the contact. This feature is especially handy for remote communications or when face-to-face meetings aren't possible. Calls made through WhatsApp use your internet connection rather than your mobile plan's voice minutes, making it a cost-effective option. You can easily share media and documents through WhatsApp. To share a file, touch the attachment icon in a chat. This is the plus sign in the bottom left corner. Select the type of file you want to share, such as a photo, document, or contact, and choose the file from your device. This feature is perfect for distributing schedules, lesson plans, or any important documents quickly and efficiently. You can also share your location, which can be useful for coordinating meetups or field trips. Status updates allow you to share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. This can be used to share daily reminders, motivational quotes, or highlights from the day. To add a status, go to the Update tab on the bottom left corner and tap My Status to create your update. You can choose to add a photo or click the pen button to write an update. This can help keep your staff engaged and informed. Now, let's discuss why WhatsApp is better than traditional texting for staff communication. First, WhatsApp uses internet data instead of SMS, which can save on texting costs. Second, WhatsApp supports group chats and media sharing more seamlessly than standard texting. Third, end-to-end encryption ensures that your messages are secure and private. Additionally, WhatsApp is available on multiple devices, including desktops, allowing for more flexible communication. Finally, WhatsApp provides read receipts, which lets you know when your messages have been delivered and read, ensuring that important information has been received. WhatsApp can significantly streamline communications within your childcare center. Group chats ensure everyone receives the same information simultaneously, reducing the chance of miscommunication. You can quickly share updates, schedules, and important announcements, keeping everyone on the same page. For example, you can create different groups for different teams, such as administrative staff, teachers, and support staff, to ensure targeted and efficient communication. The ability to share documents, photos, and videos directly in the chat enhances collaboration among staff. For example, Teachers can share lesson plans, activity ideas, and feedback in real time, fostering a more collaborative environment. This can also be useful for brainstorming sessions and gathering input from multiple team members. Voice and video calls can replace some in-person meetings, saving time and allowing for more flexible scheduling. This is particularly useful for urgent matters or when coordinating with staff who are off-site. WhatsApp call feature can also be used for parent-teacher conferences, allowing for more flexibility in scheduling and reducing the need for parents to travel to the center. Unlike verbal communication, WhatsApp provides a written record of all conversations. This can be useful for tracking decisions, keeping a record of important information, and referencing past communications. The search function within chats allows you to easily find past messages, ensuring that important information is always accessible. WhatsApp is a powerful tool for improving communication and collaboration within your childcare center. Its group chat, media sharing, and calling features make it superior to traditional texting. By adopting WhatsApp, you can streamline your communication processes, enhance collaboration, and improve overall efficiency. Give WhatsApp a try and see how it can benefit your operations.